Whoa, you are all up in my personal space. Since you're here, you can see how I created some unique home decor accents using Dollar Tree frames and other items. It's all right, stay a while. For this first DIY, I used this small 5x5 photo frame. I removed the glass and paper. I also used this trinket jar to add to the decor. In the next several clips, you'll see pictures of these items as decor in creative ways. I use small wood cubes to add detail to the frame. I used this 4x4 photo frame for my second DIY. I removed the glass and paper and played around with different styling. If you want the frames to stand like in these photos, just use a strong adhesive to the back of the frames and hold them together until the glue cures. Bonding the lid from the trinket jar to one frame where they meet can create beautiful but simple wall art. Just make sure you use a strong adhesive and allow the glue to cure before hanging it up on the wall. I also used one of the frames to accent a little tic-tac-toe set. DIY 3 incorporates this 5x7 photo frame. I removed the paper insert and traced closely around its perimeter onto a piece of white cardstock. I inserted the cardstock into the frame. The next few clips show this frame revamped. I hope you found some inspiration from this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and have a pleasant, purposeful, and productive day.